How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to do low carb the right way. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So a low carb diet is a diet that is low in carbs, particularly simple sugars such as juices, breads, pasta, muffins. Instead, you eat lean proteins, healthy fats, and fibrous vegetables and fruits. Low carb diets have been proven by researchers to help improve your overall lifestyle and to drastically cut weight around the midsection. So let's go over some of the foods you want to eat on a low carb diet. Eggs, fish, meat, vegetables, and healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. The foods that you want to avoid are rice, beans, pasta, bread, muffins, and cookies. Basically, any simple sugar and even most complex carbs that aren't vegetables you want to avoid. Now, people will ask me, what are some drinks that you can drink on low carb? You can have water, coffee, and tea. When drinking your coffee, make sure you don't add sugar or a lot of milk or creamer. A little bit of milk is fine, but you don't want to use too much. Now, how many carbs do you want to eat per day on low carb? Generally, low carb is about 100 grams of carbs or lower. Some people may even go 50 grams or lower. In my opinion, you don't want to go too low on carbs, because the lower you go on the carbs, the more it's going to be a keto diet, and low carb is not keto, you guys. Low carb is having some carbohydrates, but not low enough that it is keto. So again, 50 to 100 grams is the range that you should shoot for when deciding on your carbs. Now, the main benefits of low carbs is you will lose weight quickly and efficient. It's also low term approach to dieting. It's not a 2-week fad diet that most people do. It's a lifelong diet plan that you can follow and get good results. So I highly recommend giving low carb a shot. You won't be disappointed. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.